Assalamu alaikum students, this is Najma Khan here welcoming you back with lesson number 9. As you all know that we have started unit number 7 which is all about Babar. We have read about Babar, his father and the autobiography which was written by Babar, which was called Babarnama. I hope you all remember. Today we are going to read about Babar and we are going to read Babar as the warrior. Babar was a very strong man and the warrior. Stories say that for exercise Babar carried a man on each shoulder and ran up hills. They say that he swam rivers, even the Ganges. Babar wanted to rule Samarkand as well. It was the capital of his ancestors, the Emperor Timur. Babur captured Samarkand when he was only 14 years old. Then he went back to Fergana, but many of his soldiers did not go with him. They wanted to stay in Samarkand, so his army became weak. Because of this, Babur lost Samarkand and Fergana in battles. In 1501, he captured Samarkand again, but he lost it once more at the Battle of Saripur. Babur never got Samarkand back, but later he was able to conquer Kabul, which is today part of Afghanistan. This map is showing the empire of Babur. The orange part which you can see in this map is all the empire of Babur. It is also showing that where he fought some of his battles. Students, after capturing Kabul, Babur then took his army to Delhi to fight Sultan Ibrahim Lodi. The Sultanate of Delhi had good land for farming as well as riches such as jewels, clothes, and carpets. It had many skillful craftspeople. The Sultan took an army of about 100,000 men and 1,000 elephants to fight Babur near Panipat. The Battle of Panipat in 1526 was one of the first that used guns and cannons. After the Battle of Panipat, Babur started the Mughal Empire. He was its first emperor. Babur had only about 17,000 men, but Babur planned how to win. This is how Babur's army won the battle. He planned this battle so wisely that he won it and then started his empire wisely. That's all students we had to learn about Babar in this unit. Now here is the time for assignment. You are going to make a fact file of Babar. You can add the ideas like his birthplace, month and year of birth, a place he captured twice but lost as we discussed in this lesson, the name of his empire, two main cities in his empire, the year he died, where he was buried. So the idea is like this: search, find, and then make the assignment. After doing so, send me your assignment on this given email address. I'll be waiting for it. Thank you so much.